Morning, students. We are studying science class of 7th. Today is 2nd May of 2020. In this epidemic conditions, yesterday we had already definitions and descriptions about the nutrition in plants. Now, today from here, I am going to start modes of nutrition. There are two types of modes of nutrition. Did you wash your hands with soap? Now let's. One is autotrophic nutrition. And second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Auto as you know, auto means अपने आप, self. Trophs means nourishment. First point beta, autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic, it is made up of two auto plus trophic. Auto means self, अपने आप. Trophic, nourishment. Nourishment. The mode of nutrition, definition हुआ, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make their food from simple substances. Substances like carbon dioxide and water, minerals, etc. It is called the autotrophic nutrition. Some bacteria and all green plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs, those organisms which prepare their own food, that is called the autotrophs. So that plants are called the producers. Notebook, not copy. Just take your mobile in front of you and write step by step, date wise. Perfect nutrition. Heterotrophic. There are two syllables in this word. In higher classes, you will study about the syllable of words, or whenever, and I suppose that you will have studied in English grammar about syllable. This word heterotrophic is made up of two syllables. One is hetero, another one is trophic. So hetero means हेट्रो, जो अपने आप नहीं कर पाता है, दूसरे की मदद से करता है, दैट इज द ऑर्गन. And the another one is trophic, nourishment. What is nourishment? That is the mode of nutrition in which organisms nourish their food, you can say prepare their food by another, you can say take their food by another means of, you can say by another plants or animals. The mode of nutrition plants the mode of nutrition in which organisms get their food from plants and animals. Is called the heterotrophs. Heterotrophic nutrition. Animals and non-green plants. As Amarbein, are the Electrotrophs.